The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch 24 in effect until 3 p.m. this afternoon for the following areas in Florida. This watch includes 6 COUNTIES in Big Bend, Florida, Franklin, Gadsden, Jefferson, Lee, and Liberty, Wakulla, in Georgia. This watch includes 9 counties in south central Georgia: Brooks, Colquitt, Thomas, in southwest Georgia, Baker, Decatur, Grady, Miller, Mitchells, Manoa. This includes the cities of Alma, Apalachicola, Ausmac, Babcock, Bainbridge, Bay City, Beachton, Bellevue, Bethel, Beverly, Blue Springs, Boykin, Bradfordville, Branchville, Brooks CO/P, Bucksiding, Cairo, Camilla, Capel, Capitola, Caps, Carable, Casablanco, Shares Crossroads, Chattahoochee, Colquitt, Cooktown, Cotton, Davis Park, Decatur CO/P, Dillon, Dills, Dixie, Donaldsonville/P, Donaldsonville, Drifton, El Modelma, El Pino, Empress, Enterprise, Fairchild, Festus, Fort Gadsden, Grady CO/P, Revierville, Hanover, Hardin Heights, Hawkinstown, Hilliardville, Hoggard Mill, Ives Mill, Jared, Calern Estates, Calern Lakes, Little Hope, Littman, Lynn, Maclay State Gardens, Mayhaw, Metcalf, Milford, Mitchell CO/P, Moncrief, Monticello, Moultrie Municipal/P, Nankin, Newton, Pasco, Pelham, Pine Park, Quincy Airport, Red Store Crossroads, Riverdern, Santa Clara, Seminole State Park, Subchoppy, Spence Airport, St. Mark's, Steinhelm Store, Sweetwater, Tallahassee, Thomasville, Tilton, Wakulla Springs, West Bainbridge, and Wetumpka.